Have you ever wondered where your money goes at the end of the month? Many of us spend everything we earn. In our daily rush, we often overlook our spending habits. Let's reflect on what small changes can make a difference. Imagine if you set aside just a small amount each month. This habit can lead to a more secure future. Many confuse income with wealth. It's not just about how much you earn, it's how you manage it. Think about spending consciously. When you buy something, ask yourself, is this a want or a need? Remember, finance isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Small, consistent actions lead to big changes over time. Let's start prioritizing our spending. What if instead of impulse buys, we focused on investments? First, identify your assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. Think of buying a coffee daily. That's a liability if it doesn't add value. What if you invested that money instead? For example, if you save 5 a day, that's 150 a month. Invest it and it could grow considerably over time. Remember compound interest. The sooner you invest, the more interest you earn on your capital. Imagine two people, one earns a high salary but spends all, while the other earns less but saves consistently. In the long run, the second person builds wealth. It's not just about earning, it's about saving and investing. Start with a simple rule: save at least 10 of your income. You'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. Keep track of your expenses. This awareness helps identify unnecessary spending and streamlines your budget. Create a wish list for non-essential purchases. Wait 30 days before buying. It helps avoid impulse buys. Investing isn't about luck, it's about educating yourself. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad can guide you. Revisit your spending habits often. Small changes today lead to a more secure financial future tomorrow. Let's dive deeper into the habit of investing regularly. This is crucial for long-term financial health. Imagine putting aside just $100 every month. After years, this amount can grow exponentially due to compound interest. This is why financial experts emphasize starting early. The earlier you invest, the more your money works for you. Take John, who earns $5,000 and spends all of it. Meanwhile, Maria earns the same but saves $500 monthly. In 10 years, Maria could accumulate a substantial investment fund that grows significantly, while John has nothing saved. This difference highlights how saving and investing can lead to wealth, not just the paycheck size. Consider where your money is going every month. Create a simple budget to track your spending. Identify your needs versus wants. This clarity helps prioritize spending and find savings. As you track your expenses, you may find areas where you can cut back, maybe dining out less. Redirect those savings into investments. Consider mutual funds or retirement accounts. Remember, every small contribution adds up. It's about creating the habit of investing. Investing is a journey. Learn about different options and start with what you can afford. Let's talk about the difference between assets and liabilities. Understanding this is key to financial success. Assets are things that bring money in, while liabilities take money out of your pocket. For instance, a rental property is an asset if it generates income, but a new car could be a liability. Evaluate your purchases. Are they assets or liabilities? This will guide your financial decisions. Every financial decision counts. Make choices that lead to increasing your assets. Start small, like investing $50 monthly. It establishes the habit and builds confidence over time. You'll be surprised by how fast those small amounts accumulate and grow with time. Also, consider the psychological aspect. Saving can lead to a sense of control over your finances. Finally, reflect on your spending habits. What patterns emerge? Adjusting can make a big difference. Ask yourself, are you spending for joy or necessity? This awareness is essential to financial health. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about consistent, mindful choices. Reflect on your habits. Make small changes today for a secure financial future tomorrow. Let's imagine two people. Alex earns a high salary but spends it all on toys and gadgets. Now picture Sam. Sam earns less but saves and invests wisely every month. Over time, Sam's savings grow thanks to compound interest. This is the power of consistent investing. Alex, despite earning more, remains in debt with flashy possessions. His wealth isn't growing. Meanwhile, Sam, with discipline, is preparing to invest in a rental property, a solid asset. It's crucial to understand the difference between assets, like rental properties, and liabilities, like debt. Revisit your spending habits. Are they supporting your future or trapping you in debt? Start by saving a small percentage of your income. Even 10 can make a difference over time. Investing in low-cost index funds can be an excellent choice for beginners. It's about making conscious choices. Each dollar saved is a step closer to owning that property. Stay patient. Real wealth is built over time, not in a month or two. Reflect on your habits. Start small. Observe where your money goes and make a plan. Now visualize your weekly grocery shopping. Are you buying what's necessary, or are you filling your cart with impulse buys? Every small decision affects your budget. Consider dedicating a portion of your monthly income to savings, like 10. It's a start. Think of your assets. Are you investing in things that appreciate? A good book like Rich Dad, Poor Dad can guide you. Next, set up an automatic transfer to savings right after payday. This pay-yourself-first habit brings long-term rewards. Reflect on your credit card usage. Are you spending only what you can pay off monthly? Debt can grow quickly if you're not careful. Remember, consistency is key. Small daily changes can lead to significant financial improvement over time.